Okay? No problem. There's always one ignorant sausage, isn't it? Yellow zigzags, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And no, I'm not parked on them, I'm off them. If anybody says, there's always one that just has to ignore it. It's not everybody else's safety. People can't see when they're coming out of the school gate because of you parked right there. It's sausages, aren't there? Put a picture up on our chat. Oh, don't know, she's like standing in a hospital bed. Come on then, you sausage, what are you doing? Blow my neck. Registration plate 999.
I've taken the top to the part, and that's my ovary, and my stomach goes over my stomach. It's very painful. The stinging pain in bed is like knife going in and out.
Oh, you don't want that, do you?
I might have like nicotine in that knee. There's nobody that got to me after I've gone to convalescence, so I'm taking care of. Some of it, and some sister-in-law Stephanie, and that's probably paid the bill, so they take care of my flat. Away. She might be every 6 weeks or something just to get myself better. Quite better. So I can't get over them, and then in the summertime, them ladies her below, and the funds back down, smoking drugs, partying.
Why, nice indication, and then put your hazards on, you silly sausage.
With a bit of hammer and lay on your love on me. It's BBC Radio Covering Friday.
Can't park on the zigzags off sticking out, you silly sausage. Where the hell's that wagon gone? What an absolute massive sausage. Oncoming car coming the other way. On a... Huh?
Bloody hell, right there. Couple of lads like that now.
Huh?
Riding about.
Oh, madman. Absolute little sausages. Chipolatas, them too. No safety awareness, kids, have they? Here's another clown. Right in the middle of the box junction. So my light's going green and I can't go anywhere. It's just near
Place
West
to
Ham.
life though, it's... Oh, he's just jumped that red
It's
light.
just like, hey, naughty boy. Another clip for my YouTube page.
Are you going to put it on there?
Even if you look over there, you'll see there's not like nothing happening.
Well, we're going to leave the station, aren't we? Big pictures up in the station.
That's right, yeah.
Saying what it looks like.
Nice indication, Mini Driver.
The terrible fright to find out the dream had come true. Have a lovely Friday. Thank you very much, Singing Taxi Driver. Love it. And the Singing Taxi Driver's been on already, and he says, with his daily rhyme, Steph stepped on the bridge that night, her lips were all a quiver, she gave a cough, her Newcastle hat fell off and floated down the river. That's one of my favourites yet, actually. A little giggle for midweek Wednesday, thanks.
Haha, karma. Karma, chameleon. What a sausage, you've been nabbed. Perfect.